In this video we are going to prove the Agraff's theorem. It says that we assume that E has a finite measure and the sequence f and be a sequence of measurable functions on E that converges pointwise on E to the real valued function f. Then we have to prove that for each epsilon greater than 0 there exists a closed set f is contained in E for which sequence f1 tends to f uniformly on f and measure of E difference f is less than epsilon. The last lemma says that because E has a finite measure and the sequence f and be a sequence of measurable functions on E that converges pointwise on E to the real valued function f. And for each eta greater than 0 and delta greater than 0, there is a measurable subset A of E and an index capital N for which modulus of f1 minus f is less than eta on A for all n is greater than or equal to n, and the measure of E difference A is less than delta. Therefore, we apply this lemma to this part, that is for each natural number n, and we take A n be the measurable subset of E, and there exists a natural number n which depends on n, small n, with the delta equal to epsilon by 2 power n plus 1 and eta equal to 1 by n. Then by the lemma 10, we have measure of E difference A n is less than epsilon by 2 power n plus 1. Here we taken delta equal to epsilon by 2 power n plus 1, and modulus of f minus fn is less than modulus of f minus fk is less than 1 by n on a n for all n is greater than k is greater than or equal to capital N. Now we define, because E is a set, and f and be a sequence of measurable functions on E is a set and E is a measurable functions on E, measurable functions on E. E is a measurable functions on E, and a n is a subset of a1, a2 up to some a n, all are a subset of E, Therefore, we define A as the intersection of a n, and each a n is a measurable set. We assumed that each a n is a measurable set. Therefore, intersection of a countable collection of measurable set is measurable. Therefore, A is measurable, and A is a subset of E, this part. Therefore, measure of E difference A equal to this is we taken as A. It is A is a subset of E. Therefore, measure of E difference A is equal to measure of E difference intersection n equal to 1 to infinity a n. But this can be written as measure of union n equal to 1 to infinity E difference a n. And the measure is countable additivity of m, therefore, which is less than or equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity measure of E difference a n. Again by equation number 1, measure of E difference a n is less than each measure of E difference a n is less than epsilon by 2 power n plus 1. Therefore, we get that which is less than summation n equal to 1 to infinity epsilon by 2 power n plus 1. On simplification, we get that epsilon by 2. Now we are going to prove sequence f and tends to f uniformly on f. sequence Fn tends to F uniformly on A. Uniformly on A. Now choose epsilon greater than 0 and let epsilon greater than 0 choose an index at capital N, an index n naught such that 1 by n naught is less than epsilon. Now by equation number 2, because each fk are measurable and f is also measurable, therefore by equation number 2, modulus of fk minus f is less than 1 by n naught on a n naught for k is greater than or equal to n of n naught. But we observed that for n is greater than or equal to n naught, A is contained in a n naught. A is contained in a n naught, and 1 by n naught is less than epsilon. Therefore, modulus of fk minus f is less than epsilon on A for k is greater than or equal to n of n naught. Therefore, sequence Fn tends to F uniformly on A, and measure of E difference A is less than epsilon by 2. Again, so we get that sequence Fn tends to F uniformly on A. Already we proved that inner and outer approximation of the Lebesgue measurable function. We choose a closed set F is contained in A for which measure of A difference F is less than epsilon by 2. Measure of A difference F is less than epsilon by 2. Okay, because this is, suppose we assumed that this is our E, which is and A is contained in E, but a closed set F contained in A, closed set F contained in A. Therefore, this area is E difference F. This is E difference F, but E difference F is can be written as E difference A union A difference F, but they are disjoint. Therefore, we get that measure of, now apply measure on both sides. Measure of E difference F is equal to measure of E difference F is equal to measure of the value, that is measure of E difference A union measure of A difference F, and both are disjoint. Therefore, we get that measure of E difference A plus measure of A difference F is, but each set is less than epsilon by 2. Therefore, which is less than epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2, therefore epsilon. Therefore, we get that measure of E difference F is less than epsilon, and also proved that Fn tends to sequence Fn tends to F uniformly on a closed set F, on a closed set F, because F is contained in A. Okay, and this theorem is also proved if is also true if the convergence is pointwise almost everywhere on some set, and the limit function is finite almost everywhere. Okay, so okay, thank you.